his hands, listening to the tick of the clock. Seconds disappeared as he thought of every second